Hi there. Are you ready to make $700 just by listening to music? $700 for free simply by listening to music. Step 1. Head over to this secret website. I'll reveal the name of this website soon, but first, let's see how you will earn money online here. As you can see, you'll make money by listening to music on the radio. Plus, if you scroll to this part right here, it explains to you how this website works. First, you need to sign into the website and then register. Once you register, you can then start listening to the radio and start earning. Finally, in step 4, you get your money. As it says here, every 15 minutes you will earn points when you listen to the radio here, and then these points will be converted to USD. And then you can request a payout to your bank account, Bitcoin, or you can even choose to receive Amazon gift cards. Step 2. Let's sign up to the website. The name of the website is RadioEarn.com. To sign up to the website, all you need to do is click on this sign up button right here. Now all you need to do is fill in these details right here and then click on register to register for a free account. This is what the dashboard of your account will look like when you register. Step 3. How do you start making money? To start making money, go to Start Earning right here and click on Listen Radio. Here you can choose between any of these 3 stations to listen to the radio to make money. Say let's pick station 3. All you need to do is click on it and it will open a new tab. Now all you need to do is simply click on this play button right here and boom! That's it. You can now leave this to play in the background if you want and you'll still make money. This is how so many people are making money online by listening to music.